Yay!
I think you're gonna like it if you open it. I think you're gonna like it. I think you're gonna like it.
Wow!
Little People Princess carriage.
People!
And blocks.
Yay!
Open it.
Open it.
We need scissors to take all that stuff apart.
Look at it's a prince and princess and a horsey.
Okay, give it to mommy. Tell mommy open.
Oh Lord, that's a lot to open right now. You got a couple more gifts under the tree real quick, okay?